Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Lately, I've been noticing the end clips. They're being cut. And the problem is, I have to now make sure I end my videos longer. Make sure I don't stop it shorter. Not my fault. Something's happening. I'm sorry. I shoot this way. Give you a little bit better scene over here. Because my voice travels. Maybe I should have been called the Traveling Voice instead of Fishy Comics, because people see me with the camera. I have to step further away just to be in the whole picture to show the floor, but I got sailing. This is the Cannondale Adventure 2. It doesn't come with an adjustable stem, and that's something that you should be interested in to give you height and pull your arms back if it's too far out forward and you're leaning forward on a standalone. The fork is comfortable. The seat gonna change again. The chain ring is a preference, which we should have an easier way to change it in and out. It's easy to pedal when you're in a gear number 2, but once you switch to 3, that's when you could be really moving along nice and comfortable. Like I said, you can see I'm nice and straight standing up, holding real comfortable. Well, it's time to get on going and moving along. Well, I am Fish, and I shared my fun, my joy, my time. I'll see you on the next one.